is a Golden Age of China exhibition. This exhibition provides collections of Ming and Qing dynasty from Beijing Palace Museum. This exhibition provides more than 1,200 works from the Palace Museum's art collection. Visitors were full of praise.
It was very amazing, especially the skill and the level of technique they had in the work that they did. It was very interesting. It was different from anything I've ever really seen before, because I've never really looked at Chinese art before, but it was really good. I really liked it.
This exhibition attracts great attention from various circles of the society and helps spread Chinese culture.
Tourism attract people from other cities to come here. There are a lot of interest from the Chinese community as well, Chinese press, Chinese magazine. And Palace Museum been very generous, done a good job. I think this really create a lot of understanding for Australian of China.
The National Gallery of Victoria devotes 1,100 square meters of gallery space for this exhibition. This exhibition is on display from 27th March to 21st June. This is Erin reporting from National Gallery.